It's got a little flower with some lace behind it. Just simple. And this has got the bird with the little ticket and some cheesecloth behind it. And the little envelope that we can fold out and write in. And the little squirrel. And this has got some little trim from a punch that I got at one of my thrift stores. It was like $4 for the punch. Martha Stewart punch. It was a very nice punch, and I got it really cheap, and I was so excited about it. Here's a little flip that we did. You can flip up and right underneath there. I don't know if I want something else there or not. And here's our other little flip that folds out. And our shiny paper that I decided to leave blank. And our little pocket in the back that has a journaling card. So I think that's all I'm going to do with this. It's been kind of a long tutorial, and thank you guys very much for watching, and I really appreciate it. I wouldn't have a channel if nobody watched. So thank you for watching my very first craft tutorial with junk journaling anyway. I think it's been so long, I think I do have some tutorials like 8 years ago of when I looked. It was something with a light switch cover decoupage type thing. But anyways, enough of my gabbing. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a nice week. I will see you again soon with another journal flip. I have one I'm working on. It's right here. It's not done, but it's all filled and ready to get decorated, and it says, I would rather wear flowers in my hair than diamonds around my neck. And I just love that. That's so me. I don't know if I'm making this for me or for my Etsy shop. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Alright, thank you guys. Bye again.